How to turn off antivirus on Windows 11. This is a pretty new update. On your Windows desktop, navigate to the Windows logo and tap on Start. A pop-up menu will appear. Proceed to tap on Settings. This will land on an interface like this. Among the list of menus on the left, proceed to tap on Privacy and Security. Then continue to tap on Windows Security. Under Windows and Security, you could see a list of options. Make sure to tap on Virus and Threat Protection. Then you have to scroll down a bit and tap on Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. With this selected, make sure to toggle off all this. In my case, I'm going to toggle off Real-Time Protection. Then I'm going to toggle off Cloud Delivered Protection and scroll down a bit until I toggle off all those things I'm seeing here. That's it. You have successfully turned off antivirus on Windows 11. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.